lies in the shadows, truth beneath the skin. You can hide your footsteps, but he saw where you've been. Skeletons are shaking, secrets start to bleed. The eye above creation, it watches every deed. Paranoia or revelation, no escape from divine observation. Eye of God, looking through the dark, burns through the lies, igniting your heart. Eye of God, sees the hidden part, no shadow deep enough to tear his side apart. To tear his side apart. Silent like a warning, thunder in your chest. Every crooked motive is dragged into the test.